Welcome to my comprehensive review of Direct Line Legal Assistance, a leading platform for legal advice and resources. Today, I'll walk you through the entire user experience, from the initial visit to booking a legal consultation. We'll explore the homepage layout, which is clean and professional, with easy-to-navigate menus that highlight their key services. The first thing you'll notice is their clear call to action, guiding users to book a consultation with an experienced lawyer. I'll show you step by step how to create an account, access the dashboard, and explore the different legal categories available, including family law, business law, and property disputes. Once inside the dashboard, you'll find a variety of tools designed to streamline your legal journey, such as document templates, case tracking, and a secure messaging system. I'll demonstrate how to use these tools effectively to save time and reduce stress. One standout feature is their live chat, which connects you directly with a legal expert for quick queries. I'll also delve into the pricing model, breaking down the subscription tiers, and explaining what you get at each level. For those on a budget, Direct Line Legal Assistance offers flexible payment options, making legal help accessible to a wider audience. We'll also discuss the website security features, ensuring your data is safe during sensitive legal interactions. I'll share my personal experience using the platform, highlighting both the strengths and areas that could use improvement. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Direct Line Legal Assistance is the right choice for your legal needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of tools and services that make life easier. Thanks for watching.